Kalpa Cultural Association is an association of Keralites residing in North Goa. We are having around 450 members in our association. 450 families of the North Goa is our members. And every year we are celebrating Onam at Mahamaya Temple, Borde. This year also we are celebrating Onam on 17th and 18th September. Our chief guest for this year is our PWD Minister, Sri Sudhin Devlikar. Our guest of honor, as usual, is our MLA, Sri Naresh Savar. We are having a special guest from Kerala, Sri Rishiraj Singh Ji, who is the Excise Commissioner of Government of Kerala.